raise more questions, like what is this thing made of, and how did it get so big? The actual size of Jupiter is very difficult to comprehend. Not only is it really big, but it is heavier than the weight of every other planet in the solar system combined. It takes up enough space to fit 1,000 Earths inside. For a more relatable sense of scale here, if the planet Earth was the size of a grape, then Jupiter would be a basketball. Now, our general theory for how the solar system came to be starts with a big disk of rock and metal and gas and dust and stuff, all spinning around the newly formed sun. And then, over millions of years, all of the stuff in that disk keeps smashing together and forming into bigger chunks of stuff. And then, as those chunks get even bigger, gravity starts to kick in and attract even more stuff. So under that theory, Jupiter would have formed when one of those chunks got so big that its gravity started capturing massive amounts of gas that were swirling around inside the disk and just kept doing that for billions of years until it became what we see today. That makes sense, and if true, would mean that inside Jupiter there must be a very big and incredibly dense core of solid rock and metal. An alternative theory, just for fun, is that Jupiter actually started its life as a separate gigantic cloud of gas that was sitting just outside of the early solar system.